In the new year, most people want to make a wish come true. I has wish in the year too. We can make all wishes come true, but if we do good behavior, then we can make a wish come true. I make my wish when I blow a cake. My wishes are get tablet and go to the travel with my family. Here are 2 reasons to support my presentation, so please listen carefully. First, I want to get a tablet. I has tablet, but I use my tablet for a long time. So, tablet get error in many time. Also, tablet get many error, then I can't use well. For example, I can't do my homework and I can't watch the video. If I get a new tablet, then I can do my homework well and I can buy tablet case. I want to get Apple Pad. Second, I want to go to the travel. I want to go beach the most. If we travel to the beach, then I can swimming, I can eat delicious food, and I can take pretty pictures. I love to take pictures at beautiful scenery. Also, beach has beautiful scenery. When I see the beach, that I feel good. In conclusion, my wishes are get a tablet and go to the travel. Thank you for listening my presentation, and if you like my video, then please click likes.